This is a video on how to make the pattern pieces. The Chalice Veil is 24 inches by 24 inches square, and the cross is placed 3.5 inches up from the bottom and centered. Okay. The burse is 2 pieces. This is the side piece. It's 9.5 inches by 4 inches. It's a side panel. This is the front piece. It is 9.5 inches by 10.25 inches in length. The cross is placed 4.75 inches up from the bottom and to the sides. This edge here is the edge that's sewn by the machine, and the top edge is the part that's turned over, so it's longer from here to here. Okay, this piece is the maniple. It is 20 inches in length. It is 3 3/4 width at the top. It is 4 inches across before you come to the bell bottom, if this is how you want to make it. It's 8 inches from this edge here down to the bottom, and it's 8 inches across at the bottom. The cross is placed 3.5 inches from the bottom, and this is where you would place it, in the center. The stole is the longer piece. It is 43.25 inches in length from here down to the bottom. There's a line here, and then there's a 1/2 inch angle so it can go around the neck. You bring it up a 1/2 inch and make that over to the side. The width here is 2 3/4 inches. Then you come down to the part where it bells, and this is 4 inches across. It's 8 inches from here to the bottom. It's also 8 inches across in the width. Once you make the bell, the cross is placed centered 3.5 inches up. For the pattern for the front of the vestment and the back of the vestment, I would suggest taking a vestment that you like and just laying it down and tracing it. I can't really give you the dimensions because it curves in at the shoulders, so that's about the best I can do. That's the easiest way, I think. If you just use a pencil, it'll be fine. The best fabric to use, if you can find it, they have, for weddings, they have the big long rug. Or it's really not a rug, it's like, it's a heavy fabric. It's almost like a lining, and you could use that to cut out the vestment and the pieces for a pattern because it's the right width. Use whatever you think is going to be most useful to you. I would not use something that's very flimsy because when you go to lay it down, it won't be straight. So you need 5 pieces. Well, you need the vestment, which is 2 pieces, and you need a stole, the maniple, the chalice veil, and the burse.